Hello, welcome back to VTM World Travel here for another review. Today we are staying at the Disney Coronado Springs in Florida. I'm super excited at Port Canaveral, not Port Canaveral. I say Port Canaveral because I'm so used to doing cruises, but not this time, doing a Disney stay. So that right there just happens to be all of our Disney gear that we have. I'm just kind of giving you an idea of what the room looks like. Have a big TV, just really nice. So these doors here open up and lead into the restroom. So as you can see, it's double sink. You have your shower, toilet space. I mean, it's really, really nice. I always have to make sure I have enough towels. That's one of the things I do not like, is to run out of towels when I need them. Closet space, very spacious restroom or bathroom here. And it's a quick little room review. So we are staying in 1240. And so that's actually on the second floor, which is quite interesting. But hope you enjoyed this quick little tour, and we'll take you along with me for the rest of the week.